For peace.
Why children? And this house was to go on flame. Juliet, so you are. What is that? Oh my God. Oh, burning oil. Jesus. What a mess. Look at kitchen where human beings are living. Oh God. So no, there's nobody in this house or what? And so this house is going to burn. Juliet. Juliet.
Everything is fine. How is London? Hey! Look at the way you are shining. Hey, you are enjoying. No, London is good though. Europe, yeah. Hey, how the children doing now? See that style you were putting on that day. I want to sew that style. That style now. That purple color. Just leave the number of the tailor in my inbox now, okay? There's your husband. You didn't go to church today? Oh, life is so sweet in Europe, eh? Oh my God. Europe life is sweet. How many subscribers do you have now on your channel? How many subscribers?
Juliet! Juliet! Where are the children? Juliet, where are the children? Nobody's in this house or what? The children are even here. Like mother, like children. So you people are here, spilling mit handy. And on the top, for gebrandt. Eh? It nearly burnt in the bush. Even you're pressing the handy. Oh my God, what is going on in this house? Eh? What is going on? Juliet! Juliet, so you are still here. You mean I came back from work and the kitchen was going to go up in flames and you're here pressing handy?
Look at why you are shouting.
What type of handy?
Are you the only one that will be going to work? Are you the one that started? Don't you know what is trending? Is it on YouTube and WhatsApp and Instagram that is trending now?
Jesus Christ, is
that what all you think about is work? As if there is fire in
is
the
that what you're going to tell me?
Please,
is that what you're going to tell me? Look at the kitchen.
Am I the one that give you work? Am I the one that send you to go to work?
You're pressing handy, your children are pressing handy. And this is the only thing you
That's all, that one is what is trending now.
This
is what is trending.
This is not the way
not to do what is trending. It's not by going to work.
People use phone for good things, not a whole old layer.
You know, let these two are using this tablet and the phone. Some people have phone. They have
was going to go up in flames, and you're here pressing phone.
Thank God you come my office. It's not burning. Nothing is catching fire here. Nothing is catching fire. I check it before I lie down here.
This handy will kill you people, oh.
It will not, it don't kill you. It used to save.
This handy will kill you people.
Information. They are giving information that are saving life. It doesn't kill.
With saving life.
Yes.
You should know that if your people are not careful. I don't know what Steve Jobs put in this nonsense.
If not this, you won't know what is happening in Nigeria now. Every time you come for work, you come and be asking me what is happening, what is not.
Phone, every time.
Go away. Think we don't know what you meant do your place of work. You will say you are going to work, you will wear clothes that is smelly, you will get to work, you will go and change. And later when you are coming home, you wear clothes that is smelly too. So that I will feel maybe you have been working since morning. Please just go, don't just disturb me here. Is this one that is trending now? I must do what is trending. Don't just talk about Andy this. Don't talk about Andy this article. Don't tell it again.
I don't blame you.
Don't tell me, don't control me.
This is what I continue to hear in this house. Yeah? This is what we have been working. I came back now, it's handy. Nonsense.
It's what is trending.
Nonsense.
Wait. Nonsense.
We will see. We will see what will happen in this house. You and your children.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen.
Big mouth.
Nothing will happen. Go and work. Your mates are still working. But here you come and put all your frustration on me. I will call my friend. I will still talk on WhatsApp. Yes. Let me check. Nonsense.
This is your bag.
Thank you.
No problem.
Which neighbor is that one?
That's my neighbor now that I told you. How is it?
The one living here. Okay. So I will call him.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Only man will understand. I don't know what this one wants to see here.
This guy said.
Hey, who is calling this man? Honey. Huh? Hey.
Your neighbor told me you are waiting for me. Oh, I'm on my way. I told you can never resist. Today's one is going to be sweeter. More sweeter than the last one. Oh, I'm on my way coming. Wait.
Hey, so somebody sent message to this man. Hey? Honey, he's still calling again. There's even a message here. Hey, honey. He have been calling since. What message?
Your neighbor told me you are waiting for me. Oh, I'm on my way. I told you can never resist. Today's one is going to be sweeter.
Sweeter.
More sweeter than the last one. I'm on my way coming. Wait.
Hey! And this man was even telling me that I've been using Andy. And I use too much telephone. Look at. He said it. Customer. She's on her way coming. Today all is going to be sweeter. Oh, hey! Today all is going to be sweeter. Hey! There is it. Where are you? Who is this honey? Come on.
What's wrong with this room?
Who is this person?
Who?
Look at honey.
What?
He have been calling you since. And look at the message.
What's the message? What?
Look at. Listen.
Huh? Huh?
Did you hear?
Is that why you are not?
So this one is not.
No, it's not what you think. Let me explain.
Is it?
Let me explain what is what.
What is this?
This is not what you think.
Why
Why you're disturbing me? I have to take my shower. Yeah? Explain. This is not.
Come on, you will tell me what is this today.
That? Children, will you go inside the room?
See. You will tell me what is this,
not
and you
what
are telling
you
me that I've been using telephone. I've been. Okay, you will tell me what. You
No,
will
that's
explain.
not
I explained it. You
what
will
are you
tell me what is
explaining?
it.
What am I explaining?
You will explain. You will
What
explain.
am I
Don't tell me what you are not explaining.
What-
You must
Leave me
explain
alone.
to. No,
Leave
you
me
must
alone.
explain to me. You must explain to me.
What am I
Explain.
explaining?
Come and tell me what is that.
It's not
No.
what you think.
No.
It's not what
What
let me
is
explain.
it?
Let me explain.
No.
Let me explain.
No, you must tell me what is happening. You must tell me.
Wait, let
You
me
must
explain
tell
to
me.
you. Let me explain to you.
Hey.
It's not what
Tell me what is happening in this house.
Yeah, what is
Tell
happening?
me what I don't know.
It's only handy.
Tell me
I'm
what
sure
I
it's a
don't
voice
know.
message.
No.
What are
You have not seen that kind of thing in my
Leave
phone.
me.
Tell me what is.
Leave me with this woman. What is wrong?
Come on. You must explain, though.
What is happening?
You must explain.
So you
No.
can't allow somebody to
You
talk
must
in this
explain.
house.
You must tell
Every
me what
little
is
thing,
happening.
every little thing you'll be
You must
shouting.
tell me what is happening in
Every
this
little thing
house.
you'll be shouting.
Ah! Oh my God! The message is clear now. The message is
Which
clear.
message?
Huh? I don't know what you want to explain. The message is very
You
clear.
think I'm you?
Huh?
I chat all day.
No. You that doesn't chat. Look at what's in your phone. Look at the exhibit on your phone. You are going to tell me what is happening. You are going to tell me what is happening that I don't know. You are going to tell me you are not leaving this house. You are not leaving this house, oh. You are not leaving this house.
Give me chance. Give me chance. Give me chance, woman. Give me chance. Oh yeah, stay here. Stay here and be making trouble. I'm going away for you. That's what you want. Rubbish. Let me see you.
Hey, my waist, oh my goodness. This one, you are not coming this house today. You are not coming this house today. You will know me. You will know the kind of woman you marry. You are not coming this house today. Don't just come. Just go. You want to go and meet her, eh? You want to go and meet her? Okay. I'm going. I must go. That's my jacket. So, we are going, no? We are going. No? I must go away. Daughter, take. I'm going. I can no longer stay here. Let your daddy go and meet Oni. Let him go and meet the Oni that you want to go and meet. Oni, you have it today. This one will be very sweeter. He will go and meet the Oni. Me, I don't have time for rubbish. Let him go and meet the Oni. Oh. I don't have time. I'm going. I can't stay here. You are looking at me. Huh? Go and meet your daddy. Oh. Your daddy is going to stay here alone. I'm going. Me? No. Where am I going? No, I don't want to stay this house anymore. Your daddy should go and meet that Oni. That Oni is too sweet. He should go and meet her. Oh. This is the time for answers. End bad marriage. End bad husband. End bad everything that is not good in your life. Because they are going to give you bipolar disorder.
What's going on here?
No, I'm going now. I'm going. Give me, this is answers. Answers season.
Where are you?
End bad husband.
Where are you?
End another person.
I say you don't allow me to explain.
No.
To explain.
I don't need your explanation. Leave it. You must go and meet your daddy. Go and meet your daddy. No.
Where are you
go and meet your daddy and leave my mother alone.
Wait.
No.
Wait, leave her, baby. Leave her.
This is answers season. End bad husband. End bad husband.
I'm not a bad husband.
End bad marriage.
So I'm not a bad husband.
End anything that will give you bipolar disorder.
Because of.
End all of them.
Because of ordinary.
No.
And where are you going?
I don't want your problem. I'm going to my parents' house. I want to go and meet my mother.
You want to go and meet your mother?
Yes.
You want to go and meet?
Yes, I still have a room in my mother's house. I'm going to my mother's house. Leave this one, I will beat you of this girl. Okay. I will blow you.
Okay, we will see.
I'll meet your dad.
We will see.
Meet your dad. I'm going. What's the meaning of that? You go and meet that honey. Go and meet that honey. It's too sweet. This one will be very sweet. More than the one I've been giving you. Yes, go and meet her. Nonsense. Idiot. Stupid. Okay. Nonsense.
Okay, now.
Stupid.
Okay, now.
Go. Which one is come up the road? Which one is come up the road? This one.
Yes.
Yes. I'm going.
I'm going to.
Where are you going?
I'm going to my mother.
You are going to your mother? You are going to your mother?
I'm going back to my mother.
I'm the one that come out first. So allow me to go before you go. You go and supervise your children. You take care of your children.
No.
You take care of them.
Leave me.
Take care of your children.
I'm going to.
No, you take care of your children. Let me go first.
This woman take your time. I said take your time.
No, I will go first. I was the one that bring out my bag first. Go first. I have to go first. You take care of your children. You have to take care of your kids.
Give me a chance, oh.
No, you have to take care of your kids.
Give me a chance.
You have to take care of your kids. You have to take care of your kids. You take care of your kids.
You must take care of your kids. Give you a dirty slap.
No.
You won't forget in your life.
No.
What is happening to you?
No, you have to take care of your kids. No, I have to go first. If I go, then you can go.
Let me go now.
Where are you going, by the way? Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am going back to my mother.
You are going back to
Let my children go back to their mother.
No.
Let my children go back to their
You
mother.
have to take up your no, don't tell me that.
Let the children go back.
Hello, Oga. Now your honey I go bring you. You tell my neighbor you need to hire.
Tell them.
Did you call this house today? Did you have my husband number? You leave message? Did you leave any message?
I got leave message. I bring honey today.
Okay, you said you were bringing honey today.
Okay, stay here and finish it. Oh, you see it?
Did that cause problem?
Yes, we've been fighting since because of the message you left.
Yes.
I'm sorry, darling.
Which is darling?
I'm sorry.
Which is that?
I'm very sorry.
I'm only darling.
I'm sorry.
Let me go back
I'm
to my
sorry.
mother.
I'm sorry.
What? Which kind of
I'm
sorry?
sorry.
Yeah,
This will happen next time.
People.
Look at when you leave the message now. You would have leave it where?
Yeah.
You were saying the honey is sweeter. It's sweet.
Let me. I'm going back to my mother.
I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry. I'm sorry.
What?
What kind of honey seller are you? You don't even know how to use phone.
I leave one here.
Leave it here. It will give you money next time. The way you cause trouble for me and my husband. Don't know the kind of honey she's selling. Let's go.
You have to go inside.
Let's go inside. Nadelia, you have to take this one. Come and take it inside. Leave it now. What kind of chakara is this? See, let's go inside. Sorry.
I am a winner. Jesus can never fail. He will never fail. I have a father. Oh yeah. I have a God who never fails. I have a father who never fails. I have a God who never fails. Who will never fail. Who will never fail. Forevermore, forever.